Well, our second topic for today will be related to the homework we have. There was a sentence, I'm going to tell you later what the sentence was, in which you had to use not only second conditional but also third conditional in one sentence. And well, this topic is called mixed conditional. Mixed conditionals have, well, part of this conditional, part of the other one. We're going to check it in more detail in some minutes what it means. But first of all, it's very important that we have clear what an if clause and a main clause is. We have here some examples. This is, if I had Netflix, I would watch my favorite series today. This one here is second conditional. How can I know it? Because the if clause has always a verb in past simple, like this one, have. Then the main clause is the one that has would and as a verb in simple form. So, if I had Netflix, I would watch my favorite series today. But again, what's the reality? What's the background? Do I have Netflix? No. Then, the second conditional, as we mentioned, is about an imaginary situation in my present or future. Let's talk about third conditional. That is this one. Imaginary situations in my past. If I had studied for my exam, yesterday I would have had a chance to watch my series. But, I'm talking about the past, so this is something that happened yesterday. And the question is, did I study for my exam? No. But if I had studied for my exam yesterday, I would have had the chance to watch my series. And the question is, did I watch my series? No, I didn't. This is something that happened yesterday. And today, well, I cannot change anything because time is over. Then, let's talk about the mixed conditionals. Mixed conditionals involve, in general, we can have more and more mixed conditionals, but we're going to check just these two types. They have part of the second conditional and part of the third conditional and vice versa. Part of the third conditional and part of the second conditional. So we're going to have them in this way. So for example, if I had Netflix yesterday, I would have had the chance to watch my series. And again, I repeat a sentence. If I had Netflix yesterday, I would have had a chance to watch my series. So again, do I have Netflix? No. What did I do yesterday? Well, anything except for watching my favorite series. So this is the connection between my present and my past. As you can see, the conditional is matching both tenses. This is something about my present, this is something about my past. And the same happened with the other mix. If I had studied for my exam, I would watch my favorite series today. I repeat, if I had studied for my exam, I would watch my favorite series today. And again, did I study for my exam? No. So today, can I watch my favorite series? No, because I am studying. I didn't study yesterday, so I have to do it today. So that is a connection between my present, in this case my past and my present. And in this case, my present and my past. We're going to have here some other situations. Well, this is the situation that we got in our homework. It was in our page 87 practice section. Well, we only need this sentence. I didn't learn to ski until I was 40. I'm not very good. So some of you wrote like the second conditional and the third conditional, and guess what? You did it very well. You got the idea of the mixed conditional and you got it in your answers. But let's clarify it. So in this case, we are going to use the one part of the third conditional, that is the if clause. And in this case, one part of the second conditional, that is the main clause. In other words, this one and this one. So, if clause. Let's get idea. Let's get a sentence. I didn't learn to ski until I was 40. I'm not very good. So talking about the past. And we need past perfect. Like the example we have here. If I have learned to ski before 40, maybe, comma, then second part of the main main clause of the second conditional, comma, I would be good. So this is what most of you wrote, and it was perfect. If I had learned to ski before 40, I would be good. So this is something about my past. If I had learned to ski before 40, today I would be good. But guess what? This is an imaginary situation. It didn't happen. I didn't learn to ski, and today I am not good. So we can connection between the past and the present. Let's have another example. In this case, the opposite order. Let's use the if clause of the second conditional and the main clause of the third conditional. And we have here. The sentence is, I can't ski, so I couldn't enter the competition that was yesterday. Sorry, there's missing something here, a negative. I can't ski, so I couldn't enter the competition that was yesterday. Then, this is if clause of the second conditional. If I could ski, comma, if I could ski, I mean today, I would have entered the competition. I would have entered the competition. But did I enter? No. Why? Because I can't ski. So this is basically our information of mixed conditionals.